National Weather Service. The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a flash flood warning for Cook County in northeastern Illinois, DuPage County in northeastern Illinois, northwestern Will County in northeastern Illinois until 1:15 p.m. At 9:16 a.m., Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 1 and 2 inches of rain have fallen. Additional rainfall amounts of 1 to 3 inches are possible in the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: flash flooding. Source: radar. Impact: rapid onset flooding of creeks, drainage ditches, streets, underpasses, low-lying areas, and other poor drainage areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Chicago, Aurora, Joliet, Naperville, Cicero, Hammond, Bolingbrook, Orland Park, Tinley Park, Oak Lawn, Berwyn, Wheaton, Oak Park, Downers Grove,